Hi everybody, this is the video for the lesson on the Hawaiian forest birds and just about different species in certain places. So this is a picture of some of the forest birds here on Kauai. And what you guys are going to do is follow along with me in this lesson, and wherever it says write the definition here, you will be writing the bold part from this video. So getting into our first definition, we have what's called an endemic species, which means this species exists nowhere else on Earth. So you guys are you can pause this here and just write down this bold section. Some endemic species in Hawaii are the monk seal and the nene. This is a bird endemic to this island. So you guys want to write the definition right here, and then I put this here for you. Okay, our next kind of species is a native species, which means this species arrived in Hawaii on its own without human help. So it could have been done by wing, that it flew over on its own, wind, sometimes animals are blown over during storms, or waves, some animals were able to swim, float, or be carried by ocean currents. We then have an introduced species, which means that the species arrived in Hawaii with human help, whether intentionally or accidentally, and then sometimes these are non-native. So we have the myna bird was brought over. We also have lots of other introduced species. Then we have an invasive species, which is it arrived in Hawaii with human help, and it wreaks havoc on the environment, economy, and even our health. So some examples here are mosquitoes, mongoose, and feral cats. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, once you have all the definitions written down, just because if I play this video, you won't be able to hear it. So you're going to, once my video is over, you will watch this video. It's really quick. And then from that video, bold all of these that apply to this question. What are some things you can do to protect our birds? You can read this little fact here about feral cats, or just cats in general. They don't have to be feral. And then what you're going to do is complete this activity. So you're going to click this link. It will ask you to just put your name, and it's just a little fun activity about the native birds. And then that is it. So once this ends, click this, watch this video, answer these questions, and then do this one here.